amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, Krasvi Salam, welcome to the channel, y'all. Chess Yakshimashing, good day, y'all. So here we have the DYSON CR02 that you'd have seen in last Wednesday's video, and it got jammed again, unfortunately. So what I'm going to be doing is attempting to remove the entire drum so that we can take a look inside and take a look at the state of the spider. So there is still the other one there that I can work on, but I thought it'd be fun. Never done it before, so this is not a how-to video. This is just a fumbling around, never done it before video. Drained all the water out of it, moved it up onto the decking, and I'm going to completely strip off the front again and the whole front panel, just like we did in the last video. But this time I'm just going to do it in time-lapse, because there's no point in watching it again, you know, doing another video of it. And then what I'm going to be doing is following another video, another how-to video on YouTube from a YouTuber called Boots Owen, and he took the back off and he took the drum out. So I'm going to be following that for the first time, doing it for the first time. I've watched the video a number of times, so I'm going to be doing it step by step. So first thing I need to do is to strip it all down again and get the front off so that we can get the back off. Okay, so I got the entire front off again. Didn't take as long this time as it did last time, and I didn't have to refer back to the video, so that's pretty cool. So now we are going to move around to the back. Okay, so we're at the back of the machine, let's get it off. Okay, so the back is now off, and we can take a look. Two motors, the contra rotation mechanism for it. I can't tell whether that's half on or half off. Anyway, we'll take it apart anyway. 4 shock absorbers, control board. No cover, no protection. It's a heatsink thing there. Lots of carbon dust. It looks like it needs 2 motors because of the contra-rotation system, because of the teeth and gears. It's quite a clunky system. But yeah, so I guess that's why they just stuck another motor on it, because it needed the extra power to operate it. That's a good feature there, having that outside, so you can just change it as you want. 4 springs, and here we have the panel. So this is the belt. Just pull that off. That's nice and tight. So there we go, that's the belt off. Stuck. So I have to first of all remove that bolt. And then you just pull it and it's come off. So there we can see the big cog. Now the other thing I need to take off now are these little retainers. Okay, so now I'm going to take off this pin. That was really, really, really hard to get off. I mean, really hard. What I did was, I used this. It's my little, it's a creme brulee thing, it's from the kitchen, but I use it in stuff. Anyway, I spent 3 minutes going around and around and around and around this part here to heat it up, and then eventually with this and with this, then I was able to get it off. So now I'm just going to carry on taking it off. God, that was tough, but we did it. We have got the tub out. Now I've had a quick look around the front. It's not a pretty sight. That's what it looks like on the inside. Look at all that absolute gunk wedged in every bit of it. Now the spider I can't really work out what was stuck in it. There's a shitload of stuff stuck in between the two drums, so that will never contra-rotate again because there's just so much stuff wedged in it. Corrosion there. It's just powder and dust. All crud wedged in there. Wedged around here. Lumps and chunks. All of that stuff is what was getting wedged in it and stopping it from rotating. So basically we're just going to pick all this bits out with a screwdriver and just sweep them all out, and then we'll come to the drum. Okay, so now we got the tub cleaned up and the drum on the inside all cleaned up. I'm going to clean this grease off here and then re-grease it. Put some grease on the tub spindle thing and then slide it back in. Okay, so as you would have seen there from those little test snippets, I did a short cycle on it, 40-degree cotton, 500 spin dirt and stains. It's all back together. I just need to move it into, I need to wipe the smudges off it, move it into a different position and then start doing some demo videos with it. So you will see in the next episode the first of the demo cycles. But yeah, quite a good wash on it. So I'm not going to be doing a cleaning cycle. We're going to go straight in with a clothes cycle. It smells a lot better now. This is the door is over there, and that's what's, because this is the outer door. This can be opened at any point during the wash. It's the outer door that's got the lock on it, so I do not recommend you doing this. I'm only doing this for purposes of the video so that you can see inside the glass a lot clearer, because that's very misty and scratched, so you wouldn't be able to see. The wash is very good. So yes, warning, do not try this at home. Right, okay, let's crack on. So join me next week for next Washy Wednesday. and you'll see the first full cycle demo. Bye y'all.